We have something to open. Let's open it. Welcome to No One Knows Peter, except you of course. This is a headphone review. I'm going to open it, have a listen to it, and give you my verdict. Here is the box. The headphones are by Nidio. The box is coming apart very slowly. Nice. Oh, and they come in a nice carrying case. It's a really small form factor, so I think the headphones are collapsible, which is really useful for taking on journeys and fitting snugly in a backpack or something. So straight away we can see that they have the left and the right headphones. Hopefully they're really comfy and they live up to my expectations. So I'm just going to put them on. Okay, actually, they're really comfy. Okay, I really like these. Yeah, so they don't press into the side of my head and they fit snugly over my ears. So here in the box also we have a male-to-male 3.5mm jack, and we also have charging cable. I really hope the sound is really full and impressive. Yeah. So far the sound is obviously quite full and quite immersive. I think they're a good quality. Okay, the bass is quite good. It's prominent. So it's a good sound. So I think my overall verdict is that they fit nicely, snugly over my ears, and the sound is really full. And I can barely hear my own voice, which is a good sound of the noise cancelling. So turning on the NAC, they get a bit louder and the sound is more full and immersive. Now compare a click to NC on. I can't hear that very loud. Turn the NC off. I can hear that. NC on. Yeah, it's definitely less noticeable, the click. It's going to be fun not listening to people. So one more thing I'd like to test out is to see if there's any latency when I watch a video. The mouth moves along with the voice quite well, so I'm pleased with that. I'm not in the profession of noticing latency, but I can't notice any, and I think that's an important thing in the headphones, that you can watch a video and it makes sense. So they retail at over 100, but I got them for like £49, which I think is a fair price for something of this quality, and these are the best headphones I've ever owned, and I think that's what you want in a new product. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.